Hi, and welcome to Equid Education. My name is Madison, and today I'm going to show you how to use the bulk editor for holiday sales. With Black Friday and Cyber Monday upon us, a great selling strategy is to offer discounts on popular products or to let people know which of your products are best sellers. If you have a larger catalog, this can quickly become an overwhelming task. Using the bulk editor, you can make these changes on multiple products at once. Customers will be able to see that products are on sale, how much they cost originally, and the percentage that they will save. Starting at your Equid dashboard, navigate to Catalog Products on the left-hand side of the page. Now select which products you want to edit. I will be selecting all of my products. Now click on Bulk Update, Edit Selected. This will bring you to the Bulk Editor page. Make sure you have the Compare to Price selected on the left-hand side of the page. In the Price section, enter the sale price, and in the Compare to Price, enter the original price. Then click Save. In order to update the ribbon text, navigate back to Catalog Products, select which products you would like to change, then click on Bulk Update, Add Ribbons to Selected. Enter the new text. I will put Holiday Sale. You can also change the color of the ribbon. I will use a green color for this sale, so returning customers know that it is different from my normal sale, which I use teal for. Click Add. Congratulations on learning how to use the bulk editor to help with holiday sales.